Introducing the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50s, the perfect desktop computer for your home or office. Let's take a closer look and see all of the amazing features it has to offer. AgVision Computers, our friendly and patient tech support team, is just a call away to help you with any issues or concerns with your ThinkCentre Neo 50s purchase. With an average hold time of just 15 seconds, we provide quick and reliable assistance to get your computer up and running in no time. Thank you for choosing Vision Computers as your trusted computer provider on Amazon. The Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50s is powered by the Intel Core i5-12400 processor, which offers 6 cores, 12 threads, and a 2.5 to 4.4 GHz speed. This impressive CPU provides higher processing power and can handle even the most demanding workloads with ease. The integrated Intel UHD Graphics 730 provides discrete graphics for enhanced responsiveness, making it perfect for content developers who require high-quality graphics. With VGA, HDMI, and DisplayPort video outputs, the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50s lets you work seamlessly without worrying about lag or slow graphics. The Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50s comes packed with convenient ports to make your work life easier. On the front of the machine, you have access to 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, a USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port for data transfer and charging, and a headphone-microphone combo jack as well as a microphone jack. The rear of the machine is equally impressive, with 1 HDMI port, 1 display port, and 1 VGA port for video outputs. The device also features 2 USB 2.0 ports and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, one of which supports Smart Power On. Additionally, there's an Ethernet port for internet connectivity and a line-out jack for external speakers. All these ports make the Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo 50s the perfect desktop for all your daily needs. And as an added bonus, a keyboard and mouse are included with the purchase of this desktop. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the Lenovo Neo 50s. As you can see, it's a fast and intuitive desktop designed for compact workspaces and crafted for higher performance. Whether you're a business professional looking to boost productivity or a home user seeking a reliable computer for daily tasks, the ThinkCentre Neo 50s has got you covered.